This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live. Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way?
Sunny day, sunny day, sunny day, sunny day, sunny day. Mama. No, I want a nice video. Hi, y'all. This is your little girl's sister.
Your little girl sister.
I mean, like you are
Try
little.
again. Hey my lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you guys who are seeing the super cute face for the first time, my name is Tabby Carol and welcome to my channel. I hope that you guys love it here, and if you do, please do not forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and do share it with your people. Today's Friday, Good Friday, the day that the Lord has made. We just came back from church and then we went shopping to do some groceries. Yeah, and then now I want to make fish. I think we're gonna have fish bread and wine for today, so that's what I'm gonna make now. I have no idea where this vlog is going to lead, but yeah, we'll just see. But I'm so tired. Let me show you guys what I was wearing. This is what I was wearing today. It's already dirty because I mean we came out at 10 o'clock. Yeah, and then we've been at the shops, and yeah. So this is what I was wearing. The skirt from my previous two vlogs, this top, and then I was wearing white heels, but I took them off while we were busy shopping, and I just slipped into these. And yeah, I did my hair yesterday, guys. Alex, but yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna start making some food for us too. Hey you guys, so it is a few days later. Well, more than a few days later, because the last time we spoke was on Friday and today is Wednesday. Yeah. So I think the last time we spoke on Friday, I said that I was gonna go make some lunch, and yeah, I didn't end up making it because I remember the previous day on a Thursday I'd asked my little sister to take out the fish. She did take it out, it defrosted, and then I told her to put it back in the fridge. Now, I think there was a little bit of a misunderstanding there because she put it back in the freezer and I just wanted it in the fridge, like the chiller side of the fridge, not the freezer side. So yeah, she put it back in the freezer, and I was under the impression that, you know, we have defrosted fish in the fridge, but it wasn't there. So, and we resorted to having some leftovers. Yeah, we ate leftovers. I was like, it's whatever. And yeah, thereafter I went to spend the weekend with my boyfriend, and then yeah, I was just so lazy to like record anything thereafter, like nothing. But yeah, so today on my to-do list I am going to what do you call this, I'm gonna wash Nala's stuffed animals, toys, stuff, whatever you want to call them. They're a bit dirty, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash them now, and then I also want to wash the what do you call this, the dishwasher. I need to, you know, take out that filter thingy and just like wash all the bits of it, because Peño has this tendency of, and my cousin as well, they have this tendency of just leaving dishes in there for days on end, and they forget about them, they don't even turn it on, and then it just ends up smelling so bad in there. So yeah, that is what I am going to do.
ever get nervous, do you? With all the right cards in your hands. I'm breathing just to feel my body. You're screaming just to say you're sorry when it don't turn out the way you planned. It was more than a feeling, from the floor to the ceiling. Wish I knew how to tell you I need someone to believe in. 'Cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. It's not about the walls you break it, 'cause when you stop, the world keeps shaking. And I don't want to be apart. Then I heard it in the morning, and then I saw it in the evening. And then you said without a warning that you need someone to believe in. 'Cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. It's not love, it's a trap we fall in. Just like the war we fought in. Not love, it's a trap we fall in. It's not love, it's a trap we fall in. Just like the war we fought in. Not love, it's a trap we fall in. 'Cause it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. Screaming out.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
I'm Maggie, ooh ooh ah ah. And the pig. Pig. Ay, ay, ay. And a Peppa Pig. And then a bear. Boo. And a pony. And then an owl. Owl, owl, owl. Yep. And then the bunny. Hop, 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 hop. And then all pets. And a teddy bear.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Hey you guys, today's Thursday. I'm supposed to be uploading this vlog. Yeah, so and I'm just coming over here to close it, to officially close it. It is quite a short vlog, but I'm compensating for last week's vlog that was a bit longer than I usually do. So yeah, I'm coming over here to close this vlog. What I did today was I cleaned the fridge and I broke off a nail. This one was already broken, but then this one I broke it off while I was busy cleaning the fridge. And yeah, I didn't do that with you guys because I just wanted to like get it over and done with. Like I don't have the energy because yeah, health wise I'm not okay at the moment. Even last night I didn't sleep well because of a blocked nose. And yeah, this morning when I woke up my throat was throating. And I also have like this sinus headache, you know, that sinus headache that just like hits you here, and then it also just tends to like ring in the ears as well. But then I took the pills that the doctor had given me last time when I went in with similar symptoms, and she had said that it was allergic rhinitis. So yeah, maybe that's what I'm going down with again because it's helping right now. The symptoms have subsided, so yeah. And I blame my boyfriend because I got this from him. When him and I were together, he was sick. So yeah. Wait, speaking of my boyfriend, wait guys. Speaking of my boyfriend, let me show you what this man got me. It's so cute. So you guys remember that one vlog where I went to MAC and I tried on this one red lipstick, and I was like, oh, I love it. I'm not really a lipstick person, but this I love, I love, I love. So yeah, on Saturday, we had gone to the mall and he was just looking for a few things. And at first we went to Fashini because there was this dress that I saw that I liked, but then they didn't have it anymore. And then we left. I was like, oh no, it's fine. And then we walked past the next store. I was like, hold on, wait. That one lipstick I wanted, and here it is, you guys. I was like, you were getting this lipstick for me. And here it is. Let me open it quickly. Hold on. I see here it's 105 Feel So Grand. And that's the shade. Let me just open it quickly. I'm using one hand. Here she is. Ooh, I haven't worn it. I haven't worn it yet. Because yeah, this is like special occasion a vibe. But yeah, let me just quickly put it on for you guys and then I'll show you. Wait, I'm getting a little nervous because me and lipsticks, I have this love-hate relationship with lipsticks. I love them, but as soon as they're on me, I'm like, maybe not. But yeah, hold on. So here she is, you guys. I have a little bit on my teeth. Sorry. But yeah, here she is. I love her so much. I love her so much. Ooh. Like, I'm just imagining myself with like that super cute a fit, maybe like an LBD or something, or like just like anything. I think she could go well with like anything as long as I like, you know, do like a fitting makeup look. I love her so much. Oh guys, I love her so much. Like, you know, them naming it feels so grand. They like hit hit the what? Hit it on the nail. Hit something on the nail. I know it has to do with nailing something, but they nailed it with like naming it feels so grand because I feel so red carpet ready, like take me out now, please. So yeah, and I thought that maybe I would get those feeling, when you try out clothes, in the fitting rooms, like you're there in the cubicle and you're wearing your whatever, maybe your dress or your jeans, and you feel so good in them. And then you come back home and you wear them again. You're like, you don't get that feeling anymore. With this, I still have that same feeling that I had when I tried it on the first time and when I wore it like just like the whole day. Like I still have that feeling, even in my pajamas and durag. Like I don't feel pajamery and duraggy. Like I feel so grand. And you guys, I'm actually being reminded of the fact that it's not the first time I got this guy to like buy me lipstick. I remember the first time he bought me lipstick, we were at Fushini. And then I saw this lipstick. It wasn't red, but it was like a maroonish, a very dark maroonish, burgundy almost grape. Yeah, it looked like that grape color. That grape juice color. It looked like that. And I think the name of the shade was Riches. And yeah, I tried it on and I liked it. But as soon as we got in the car, like just outside Fushine, as soon as we got in the car, I put it on and like, ish, I didn't feel it. Like, and then I just ended up mixing it with some of my mom's things because I was just like, there's no way I'm gonna wear this. But with this, guys, you guys are gonna see me in it a lot. Like, I just love how pigmented it is, and like it's just like hello, it's very like high, but not in a like a loud way. Like I just love that. And also just considering the price on it, I don't want to like make him like get me this super pricey one lipstick and then I don't wear it. Like it's gonna come across as very ungrateful. But not only that, because I love it, guys, I love it. Like I love myself. Okay, I'm gonna stop like just like blabbing about this lipstick. But yeah, this is the lipstick that is getting me into lipsticks. Like this is my gateway into wearing lipsticks. Hi. So yeah, thank you to my man. But yeah, anyway, I'm closing this vlog, you guys. And oh wait, before I officially close it, guys, my birthday is coming up soon in May. It's like a month away, and I'm only asking one thing from you guys, just one thing. Please share my channel with your people, because like I would really love to be on 500 subscribers by June. So all of May, like can you guys just like starting now? You don't have to start in May. You can start like now, sharing my channel with your people, and just like as a little birthday gift for me to like reach 500 subscribers by the 1st of June. Like I would really appreciate it if you guys could. And yeah, thank you so much for those that are, because I know there are those of you that love me here. So guys, I can't stop looking at my lips. Anyway, if you've made it to this point of the video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. And if you're still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because I mean, you're here and it means that you love me. You love my vibe, okay? You do, because why are you here? So please do consider subscribing so that you could become a part of my tribe. I did that wrong. I did it so wrong. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. I need to get editing so that I can get this vlog out to you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.